morning students, welcome once again to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to discuss few questions of your exercise 5.3 and the question is this: if x plus y equals 11 and xy means x multiply y will gives us 2, then we have to find out the value of x square plus y square. Right. So when these kind of question comes where we need to find out the value of something, so what we will notice and what we have to observe here, that it is the number which is being squared, right, which is being squared. So have we done anything in which we have done something like squaring of the number? Yes, we have done. In our previous classes only we have done identities. Right. So here we are going to use our identities. And how? Let me show you. So what we will do, as per the question, I know that the value of x plus y equals given 11. Right. So I want a square of x and I want a square of y. So let me do what? I'll square both sides. Squaring both sides, right, because I wanted to have a square as per the requirement of the question. So what I will do, I will square my both side. Both side means the LHS side and the RHS side. So when I will square it, so it will become x plus y whole raised to the power 2, right, and it will become 11 raised to the power 2. You must be thinking कि when the square is given, why I have not written x square and y square, right? No, it's a wrong way if you will write it term wise squaring. If you will do term wise squaring, that will be wrong, right? Because when we are doing the square of both sides, it means whatever is at the side, जो भी LHS पे है, that will be squared whole raised to the power, right? And what is at the RHS, that also will be squared as per the whole term. So here as we have done whole raised to the power square, if we will see the structure of this, so it is as same as a plus b whole square. Like we have done the identity, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So it is as same as this. So we can apply identity here. So when we are applying identity here, so it will be x square y square plus 2x into y, right? And after squaring 11, what we will get? We will get 121. Now x square plus y square, it is as same what we required here as per the question. And what about 2 into x into y? So we have the another value of xy, which is 2. So we can substitute the value of xy here. So after substituting the value, 2 into, in place of xy, what we will substitute? We will substitute the value of xy and it will be 4 equals 121. Right, children? Now after transposing it, like you can see here, x square plus y square plus 4 equals 121. So we will transpose 4 from LHS to RHS. So here in the LHS only this left. So 121 minus 4. So it will gives us, that will be 117. So this is the way we can find the value of the required expression, right? So whenever the question will be asking you these kind of statements value, these kinds of expression value, if the square is there, by squaring the both side, we can find the value of the given expression, right? And when after squaring, we have to see whether it is forming the first identity structure or the second identity structure, right, children? Let's see the next question. of the same exercise, if I will go with this one more kind of question. So here is another question. It says if x minus 1 upon x equals 15, right, then we have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So here also we can see that we are given with the value of this, right, and we need to find out the value of this. So again the squaring is given, so we will follow the same procedure. What we will do, x minus 1 upon x equals 15. We will do squaring both sides. So after squaring both sides, it will be whole raised to the power 2 and it will be 15 raised to the power 2. So again we can notice here, since we have a negative sign in between, so which identity we can apply? The negative identity. Identity number 2. And identity number 2 is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the same identity we will apply here. So it will become x square plus 1 upon x square. Because 1 upon x ka square when we will do, so 1 into 1, x into x, that means x square, minus 2 into x into 1 upon x equals 225. Yx, this is first term, y1 upon x, this is second term, right? So it will be x square plus 1 upon x square. Here both can be cancelled. So we cancelled it. We are left with only 2 and it is 225, right? So now we will transpose it to the RHS side. We will transpose it to RHS side. So we are left with x plus 1 upon x square will be 225. It is minus here. That will be converted into plus. So 225 plus 2, answer would be 227. So here we found the value of the given expression by the same method and the value is 227. So this is the way we can solve these kind of questions. So I hope you understood this. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay happy.